in 24 hours, Ria has to present herself before the NCB for questioning. She's so far cooperated with the investigation, so it doesn't look likely that she's really going to choose to skip that summon, particularly because Ria, while speaking to us, also maintained very categorically that she's not guilty. She's never consumed any drugs, that she's also open to a test on that front. I just also want to update our viewers on the statement that was put out by Ria Chakrabarty's father. This is Indrajit Chakrabarty. He issued a statement last night where he said, "Congratulations, India, you've arrested my son. I'm sure next on the line is my daughter, and I don't know who is next thereafter. You have effectively demolished a middle-class family, but of course, for the sake of justice, everything is justified." So that is the statement that was put out by Indrajit Chakrabarty, who is the father of Ria and Shoaik. Remember, Shoaik Chakrabarty is already in custody. He's been interrogated. He was confronted also with drug peddlers. And there's a strong likelihood, Pankaj, that if Ria is taken in for questioning, she is also going to be confronted with people like Dipesh Sawant, the house help of Sushant Singh Rajput, who have named Ria Chakrabarty in their statements.
Yeah, absolutely right. The NCB officials had maintained yesterday itself in front of the judge as well that Zayed, Basit, Samuel Miranda, Shoaik Chakrabarty, Dipesh Sawant, all these people need to be confronted. They need to be cross-questioned in front of Ria Chakrabarty, because all these people have named Ria Chakrabarty in their statements and have said that they use, especially Shoaik's statement, Samuel Miranda's statement and Dipesh Sawant's statement are clinching evidences as far as the Narcotics Control Bureau is concerned, because in their statements they have said that it was at the behest of Ria Chakrabarty that they procured drugs. But the NCP has said that this is a network-based racket that is taking place, and therefore,
Pankaj, my apologies for interrupting. Just want to quickly update our viewers on a news break that we're getting in now, that Ria Chakrabarty is likely to reach the NCB office at about 10:30. So in 2 hours from now, we're hearing that Ria Chakrabarty will be making her way to the NCB office. That is something we're yet to get a confirmation on, but this is what sources are suggesting to us. Pankaj, my apologies for interrupting. Go ahead.
If that were to be true, it's around 8:38 right now.
Yes.
It's going to take a maximum 40 to 45 minutes. It's going to take maximum 40 to 45 minutes. On a Sunday, the streets are generally empty in Mumbai. There's not going to be so much of traffic as well. Even if she were to leave by 9, I think she would not take more than 40 to 45 minutes to reach South Mumbai, where the headquarters of the Narcotics Control Bureau is there. Coming back to the place where the entire action is happening, this is the very gate, this is the very apartment of the Chakrabartys. Inside you have Ria Chakrabarty, Indrajit Chakrabarty and Ria's mother as well. Now, you've been talking about the statement that was given by Indrajit Chakrabarty, a very emotional statement saying that his son has already been targeted and perhaps Ria Chakrabarty, his daughter, is going to be next in line. But of course, the law is not going to go by the emotions. The fact remains, Ria Chakrabarty's name has come in the statements that have been given by the arrested people, and that includes her brother Shoaik Chakrabarty, Samuel Miranda, the house help, Dipesh Sawant, the accountant. And as the NCB officials are saying, now this is a clinching evidence, and in order to get deeper, in order to understand the deeper nexus, in not just about this very case, but the larger nexus existing in Bollywood as well, it is imperative for them to cross-question Ria Chakrabarty, who's been named again and again. So now it remains to be seen, now that summons have been issued by the NCB, when will Ria Chakrabarty move out? Her lawyer, Satish Manishinde, has been saying from day one, Shoaik Chakrabarty, Ria Chakrabarty have never consumed drugs, and two, they are ready for blood test at any given point of time. But also remember, Akshata, the various WhatsApp chat details that the Enforcement Directorate had first unearthed are with the Narcotics Control Bureau. The NCB has taken cognizance of all the various WhatsApp chats, specific chats of Ria Chakrabarty conversing with Gaurav Arya, the hotelier from Goa, wherein she is asking about MDMA. where she's talking about hard drugs. The Narcotics Control Bureau says that yes, they are still looking for the context of all these chat conversation. Of course, a big question has already been readied by the NCB, which will ask, were you using your own phone? If you have never consumed these drugs, what does this chat indicate? How closely do you know Gaurav Arya? Since when have you known him? Why are there so many WhatsApp groups that have been formed? Not just with Gaurav Arya, the Enforcement Directorate has also questioned Kunal Jani, another hotelier in the suburban area of Mumbai, who was also talking and discussing about narcotics. Also many other people, be it Rishabh Thakkar, the billiards player, who was a part of another WhatsApp chat group, which talked about and discussed about narcotics. So these are very serious, these are the things that can pose serious issues in front of Rhea Chakrabarti. But yes, as the lawyers are also saying, that nothing has been found in person of Souvik Chakrabarti or Samuel Miranda. But the fact remains, NCB says all these people knew that they were transporting, procuring narcotics. They were fully aware of it, and yet they indulged in the illegal trade. And that is why it is very important for the NCB to cross-question them. And that is the reason why today, early morning, the senior officials of the Narcotics Control Bureau have issued summons to Rhea Chakrabarti. And now it is only a matter of time that Rhea Chakrabarti would be coming out of her house and heading straight over to the NCB headquarters in South Mumbai.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.